I'm going to jump straight into it and show you a result video.
Okay. I don't know how the Kenyan got into it. Northern Europe and Central Europe is a bit of a shock. Southern European, equally as surprising, is the East African, the Ashkenazi Jewish.
These are your grandparents on your mother's side.
I haven't seen this picture.
We can see here, this is the document that shows the details around her christening. You can see that it has even the address place called Pleasant Cottage.
Obviously, there's a differentiation between my Trinidadian side from my father and my Jamaican side from my mother. When you see people who you may know you are related to, but of course you understand that this is by DNA, which could be generations and generations and generations, I'm kind of thinking of, well, I wonder if his dad was from Jamaica or, you know, did we know his cousins? A bit of Kenyan, which has surprised me.
Now I can call you brother for sure.
You know.